broken in the area of 209 West Commerce Street. A natural gas leak outside. Engine 41, engine 51, rescue 62, station 80 fire police, operations County Channel 3, 2253.
County engine 51 responding.
Engine 51 responding in the area 209 West Commerce Street. Spill of natural gas outside.
North Summerlin County, engine 41 is responding.
Engine 41 responding, operations channel 3, 2254.